Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you're watching FMA makeup tutorials. But today it's vlog time and I am heading for a staycation to Ain in UAE. So I'll catch you up there. Yeah guys, this is my outfit for the travel. Hi!
Hello!
And here we begin our journey to Ain. So guys, it's so hot right now and yeah, so guys, it's so freaking hot right now. I am literally irritated by this sun. This is like no man's land. Oh my god. It's like we are flowing on the sand. Oh my god. Greenery in desert? Oh my god, how's it possible? So there we arrive at a loft in Ain and we are now going to enter our hotel. And that's the hotel entrance. It is cute. I will be showing you around the room once we get into it. This is our sweet little room. And this mirror right here is my OOTD. That's the bathroom. And this is the room. This is pretty, pretty, pretty. That's the view. So we are heading to the pool. Guys, this is the pool and we are going to go for some time. It's very hot, but yeah, if you are on a staycation and if you don't go in the pool, then it's like So yep, we are going to the pool for some time. Super rich. Huh? Cool.
That's what she said.
Yeah, that's my rule. That's my rule.
अच्छा कौन जा रहा है पानी के
My hair is spoiled.
Red Bull लेना है वो silver bag.
Seriously? So now we are exiting the pool, guys. So this is my outfit of the day for lunch today. This is from Forever 21. That is from Jolly Chick. This is from Splash. These are from Aldo and the watch is from Michael Kors. This hairband is from some street. And there I go. Bye. So I am all decked up for the lunch. I'm not too decked up, honestly speaking. I've not done anything.
That is what she is thinking. I don't think that.
No, but I've just applied my liner and lipstick.
Okay.
And some mascara. And a little bit of highlight.
Yeah? I think something else more.
No, nothing else. What else? Just worn good clothes and accessorized.
And just look at me. T-shirt, shorts, I'm done.
No, but he's looking good now. So we are going to rely on our friends for a good lunch. I hope that we get good food because since morning I have not had good food. I've just had a little bit of upma, if you know that. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we are super confused where to eat our food. And there are 3 confusing heads which are confusing us more. They're where to eat the food. Now I'm so hungry. I'm starving. So guys, finally we've reached a mall called Ain Mall and we are going to eat here something. So we are sitting in a family room and it looks something like this.
So we are the family.
Yeah. And it's such a closed and compact room and we're going to dine in here. So I'm starving right now. I'll talk to you guys later after eating my food. This is going to save my life today. So we are back to Pavilion and now we are going to go in the room, play some cards, enjoy ourselves. So good morning guys, this is my morning outfit for the day, back to home's journey. And this is my cool bag. I love this sling. Beautiful. And I'm heading home. This was a short staycation to Ain and we enjoyed a lot. All in all, if you are looking out to visit Ain, I would suggest you guys to go to the zoo, to go to Jabal Afid. Yeah, that's the name of the mountain peak. That is really nice. Actually, we on some months ago, like in winters, we had visited Ain already for a day trip, and that was more about the zoo and Afid and everything. So this time we just thought of skipping that things and just enjoying around and just chilling in the pool and kind of stuff. Just vegetarian food is an issue, I feel, but still you get it, that's not a problem. Pure vegetarian restaurants in Ain, it's only one. That's a tragic thing, but otherwise it was nice, it was good. I like the hotel. The hotel was a loft. It is really nice. If you wanna go to Ain, you can stay in this hotel. It's cute, nice, compact. Rooms are beautiful. Services are really nice. Like, even if you want like food at 2 in the night, 3 in the night, you get it. So this was it guys. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And this was it. I'll see you in my next one.